precise, extremely accurate vector files. Just place the crosshair of the cursor where you want to trace a point, push any button on the cursor, and a very accurate XY point goes to the computer. My software then turns all of those points into a very accurate DXF file that can load into any CNC software. For this particular outline, I'm tracing it with lines, arcs, and circles. I could have also done freehand drawing or curve fit through points. Just trace the outline and save the file. So easy and accurate. Look at that. I've done my outside edge. There it is. Now let's finish our 3-point circles, or our circles. We do 3-point circles. Click any point on those circle, 3 points, and it pops in a circle. Look at that. The accuracy of the tracing boards are 1/100 of an inch and 5/1000 of an inch. Plenty accurate enough for almost all CNC applications. Look at that. It's so great. There it is. I'm done. Let's save the file.